What's good, YouTube? It's your boy PWEEZY. I'm back with another video, and as y'all seen by the title, I'm finna put y'all on the 3 easy moves y'all can add to y'all baggy. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can get right. You know? Skippity pop pop. You know what I mean? So y'all can get in y'all bag, bruh. Cause you know sometimes I be green. Sometimes I just be in my bag. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna help y'all out, help y'all with some dribble moves, man. Put y'all boys on a few things that y'all can add to y'all baggies. You know what I mean? To look nice on the court and make sure y'all get some buckets. You know what I mean? And how to understand y'all defender a little bit. I'm gonna put y'all on some game, you know what I'm saying, that I know that a lot of people don't know. You know what I mean? A lot of ways you can create moves in this game. You gotta learn how to tempo, bro. Like, before anything, learn how to tempo, bro. It's super simple. Hold down, flick up. Hold down, flick up. Hold down, flick up. It's that simple. It's that simple, I'm telling you. So once you learn how to tempo, you know what I'm saying, it opens up more things. You know what I'm saying? Now you can post fade easy. You know what I'm saying? Now you could step back. You know what I'm saying? Gimme blah. You know what I'm saying? Now you could turn around J. Gimme blah. You know what I'm saying? Now you could do a whole lot of different things. When it comes down to shooting, you gotta learn how to tempo, bro. Cause with square, I mean, you can green, but like, you know, like the game gonna be hoeing, bro. With square, you can't green everything. Maybe I can, cause I'm nice right now. But you know, like not everybody can green all the time with square, bro. Square kind of buns. Why use square when they gave you tempo? Use the tempo. It's in the game. I don't know, bro. Sometimes, man, you just gotta put your pride aside and just. If you can't beat them, join them, my nigga. You know what I mean? On some shit. But anyways, look. I'm going to put y'all into some simple moves that y'all can add to y'all bag. Like I said, you need to learn your tempo first. Let's get straight into it. First things first, I want y'all to have y'all triple threat as Kobe. Go to your dribble style right now. Go to your animation. Put your, bro, where it say triple threat, put on Kobe, right? To get this right here. That animation right there is going to create a lot of space all the time. You know what I'm saying? So doing this move, now you can read your defender. What is your defender going to do? He can either sit in front of you and hold on to you, or if you do this, he back up, right? Or he may just stay there. If he stay there, now you can, you know what I'm saying? Okay, come here. You know what I'm saying? Come here. Come here. You can do it to the side too, like that. You can do it like this. It don't matter. Hold on, I gotta shoot the ball because I can't dribble. So out of this triple threat, you can do so many moves that it's crazy. You know what I mean? It's so many moves you can do out of this, because if your man, say he playing towards the ball, right? Say he come in on my inside where I'm leaning. He come in on my inside, right? If I do a spin move the other way towards the corner, he's lost. He's lost, right? He's lost. If I... Hold on. I hate doing it that way. Okay, this way. So, if I do this spin move, he's lost. Right? Look, boom. He gonna be flying to the corner. He gonna think I went to the corner, right? And from here, you can do a step back in green. Easy move to your bag. Step back like that. Green. Easy move to add to your bag. Because most of the time after the spin move, they're going to think you going to the paint. Most people going to think you going to the paint. And then you hit them with the, come here. Green. You know what I mean? That's easy. Come here. Step back. Green. Look how much space I created. I didn't even have to touch my left stick. That's straight R2 in the right stick. And to do that, I'm about to put y'all on. So look, to jab, you just want to flick towards either way. I like to do it toward, like when he do this animation, when he do the actual Kobe animation. When he do that, I like to spin. And by spinning, I'm going to go 12 to 8 or 8 to 6. It don't really matter. I go 12. I go like 12 to 6, low key. I just flick the whole thing around, right? And then you're gonna hold R2 after you flick it around, and then you're gonna hold R2 and hold your right stick down to get the step back, and then you flick up once you're about to shoot for tempo. So for example, I'm gonna show y'all with the controller. I'm not even gonna touch my left stick. That simple, right? It's that simple. Look, I'm gonna show y'all again. Flick, step back, green. Right? It's that simple. That's an easy move. Easy move to add to your bag. Easy. Easy. You can also do other things from that. You don't even, like, you know what I mean? You don't have to do that though. You don't have to shoot off that. You can, bro, it just creates space for other things. You know what I mean? It just creates space for other things. You don't have to, and if you don't want to shoot the step back, all you got to do is hold down on your stick for a half a second. Not too long. Not as you usually would do when you shoot. Look. Hold on. I want to get my right foot down. Okay. Boom. There we go. So look. I'm a spin. Hold down half a... Let's do this shit again. I'm a spin and then hold down for like half a second. As y'all see. Half a second. I don't know how to goddamn show y'all for real. I don't really care about the hand cam. I'd rather show y'all with my actual hands. I hate looking at hand cams. I'm not gonna lie. I'd rather a nigga like use his hand in the damn camera and show me. You know what I mean? I don't know about y'all, but I'm a visual learner. Like I can't look at the controller on the screen. That shit look delayed. Like nah. Flick. Right? Flick. Boom. Half a second, and you let go of everything. I mean, you could still hold R2, but I like to just let go of everything low-key when I reset my dribbles. Okay, now another move to add to y'all bag is the walk back. The walk back. Back it up, back it up. Hold on. Back it up, hold on. You know, back it up, hold on. So, to do the walk back, a lot of people be like, yo, how you be doing that? Like, bro, they be thinking it's some animation. Bro, this is not an animation. Bro, you could do the walk back on any build. Like, you know what I mean? You could do the walk back on any build. Any build could walk back. You know what I mean? Any build could walk back, bro. And to do the walk back is super simple. Y'all gonna be like, damn, bro. Somebody would, bro, I was on the game. Somebody gonna be like, oh, ain't that a step back? Like, hey. He like, yeah, I know about the walk back. It's a step back. I'm trying to explain to him. I'm like, bruh, it's not a step back. He like, yeah, I know. It's a hesitation, right? A step back, bro. Like just listen, nigga. Damn, listen, bro. I'm trying to put you on game. Listen, all you gotta do, is run to the paint or move forward, right? Move forward up on your left stick. And, bro, flick your right stick up. Bro, I'm going to show y'all. Just flick your right stick up. And you get an animation. It's a different animation every time. I think you could do it standing still. Yeah, you can. All you got to do is flick it up. Like, that's it. That's how you do the walk back. I ain't gonna lie, on certain builds, it's different. It's patchy. It just depends on how high your dribbling is. Sometimes you get the hop back. Oh my goodness. When you get the hop back, that shit's dangerous. I think you gotta be under 6'7" or some shit to get the hop back. Or you gotta, I think your ball handle gotta be like at a certain thing. Cause when I get takeover, I could get the hop back. That shit right there. Yeah, you know what I mean? Like, the nigga, like, he'll run up, boom, like, hop back. I'm talking about pound dribble, step all the way back, give me 3, blah, dumb nigga. Like, you feel me? So, that's to do the walk back. Super simple. Flick up and just move back. flick up, move back. You know what I mean? It's that simple. So yeah, the next thing, last thing is always the best thing. I'm gonna put y'all on with the PWEEZY stop. I made a video on this, and I'm gonna put y'all on again, cause a lot of people don't be doing it, and a lot of people be fading. You get fades. You know what I mean? This is a quick stop. The PWEEZY stop is a quick stop. It's not really called PWEEZY stop, but I named it after myself because not too many people use it. I don't see nobody really use it. I'm the only person I know that be doing it like crazy, and I'll show y'all some clips of me doing it. But yeah, the PWEEZY stop, bro. This is dangerous. And to do this is just a pass fake, bro. It's just a pass fake. It's just a pass fake, you know what I mean? And you can do it on any build. It's just a pass fake. So you know how some people, they quick stop, you know what I'm saying? Like they go up, down, up, right? And sometimes they give you a fade. But with the PWEEZY stop, no, you stop, instantly get into your shot, you know what I mean? And I do this all the time on my tall builds, my 6'11". I rarely do it on this build because I could just stop on a dime, you know what I mean? Like I could just stop on a dime like that and just shoot because I'm a little guard, or I'm 6'8". But I can do it. Sometimes I do it on my on this build, you know what I mean? If I got deep bomber and I'm at half court, I'm green. You know what I mean? I'm pass faking green. And that's an easy way. And all you got to do to pass fake is triangle and circle at the same time. So that's simple. That's simple. You know what I mean? I do like the same, like I have like this I don't know. I got like this habit of doing that shit. Like I let my fingers touch after I like finish shooting. Like after I shoot, I go like this. I don't know why I do this. I do it all the time. I don't know why. I don't know why. But it's just kind of a habit. But yeah, that's how y'all do that. Yeah. I just put y'all on to some freaking game. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Make sure y'all smash that subscribe button. Bro, chat. Oh my God. I just want to say I thank y'all so much, man. Y'all been showing nothing but love. And I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate every single one of you that watched this video, that learned something from this video. Because, you know what I'm saying? Y'all help me, I help y'all. Duh. You know what I mean? Duh. But yeah, I appreciate y'all. We about to hit 4K real soon. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all smash that subscribe button. It's free. You know what I mean? It's free. You watching the video. I just put you on some sauce foot or free ski. You know what I mean? Yeah. The least y'all, that's the least you could do. You know what I'm saying, big bro? That's the least you could do. Nah, just playing. But anyway, man. Hope y'all enjoy y'all nights, days, mornings, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm out of here. Make sure I keep God first. Stay prayed up. Yes, sir. Peace.